Hello friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance with Savan Kumar. This is one place where we talk about money, business and finance, and let us continue talking about sales. It is said that you have to be sold before you make the sales. You first have to be sold about the sale before you make the sale. What is this? And why is this really important? The moment you are out with your product or your services to sell to anybody, if you are not sold about that product, if you are not sold about that service, you would never be able to make a sale. Because sales is the game of conviction. Until and unless you are convinced about the product, about the service, you cannot convince anybody else about that product. It is the game of conviction. Sales is a game of conviction. How do you make sales? How does the sale happen? Sales happen when your conviction about that product or service supersedes the other person's conviction on why he should not be buying your product or service, or why he should be buying your product or service. When your conviction supersedes his conviction, you make a sales. So the entire sales, the entire game of sales is about the conviction that you have about your product and service. So if you have slightest of the doubt about your product and your service, you won't be closing sales. If a few sales are just happening because of it happening, you're not making sales, and you will never make sales until and unless you have first sold yourself, until and unless you have first sold the product or service to yourself. Let's take an example of a car dealer. There are so many cars available around. There are so many showrooms available around of the same brand of cars. Now, why on earth should a person be buying the car only from you and not anybody else, when you're not offering anything different in terms of the product? The product is same, the pricing is same, the discount that you're gonna get is same. Then why should I be buying it from this salesperson and not anybody else? Because you are sold. Because that person is sold about his product that he is selling, and he makes me think, he makes me help in taking decision, because he is so sold. His conviction is so rock solid that I cannot fight with it. I get convinced of his conviction that this product that I buy from him because of the kind of service he would give is the best, and I go and buy from him. That's what happens when we buy cars, when we buy mobile phones. Let's say we are out to buy a mobile phone, an iPhone. So we visit store 1, we visit store 2, we visit store 3, and we happen to buy from store 4. When we knew which iPhone we are going to buy, I was out to buy an iPhone 12, but I still visited store 1, store 2, store 3. But the store 4 salesman was so sold on his iPhone. He himself was using an iPhone, and he was so absolutely sold about using an iPhone that it was not at all difficult for him to convince me on why I should be buying it from him. So you now understand that why is it really important to be damn sold about the product that you are gonna sell. If you are not sold, you are not going to make sales. Any sales that you happen to make would be a fluke. Any sales that you happen to make would just be a chance sale, but not a confident sale. A sale that you knew that it would happen. And when you are convinced, when you have sold yourself on the product, nothing on earth can stop you from selling your product or service. So first, get sold on your product before making the sales. Have a good day.